everyone, first I wanted to say thank you for taking the time to watch these videos, to share these videos with your friends or in a Facebook group. It has been an amazing experience getting to know you better by talking to you in the comments. I love that this community is coming together to share our passion of planning and crafting and self-improvement. And I want you to know that you have unique gifts that you bring to this community. I know what it's like to feel like an outsider, like you don't fit in, but I want you to know that no matter what someone else has told you in your life before, I think you're wonderful and I appreciate you. I have been posting a new video every Saturday for a while now, and I will continue to do so, but as a thank you for your amazing generosity and support, I wanted to provide some bonus content that I'll be posting towards the middle of the week. If you want to get notifications on when these videos are posted, please click on that bell icon in the bottom right corner right beneath the video. I'm also collecting questions for an upcoming Q&A video, so if you have any questions about organization or planning or time management, or even questions about me, please leave them down in the comments below. I really appreciate it. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!
This is a perfect night to catch a cold.